Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Tillson T3 moving average. Before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 259 indicators, and out of those 259 indicators, 101 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 101 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Tillson T3 moving average. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Okay, Tillson T3 moving average. You can see it here on screen. It is a pretty simple setup. It's a moving average, and so basically just a single line interacting with price action. Now over the other videos on the channel, we have tested moving averages. We have tested a lot of moving averages. At one point, we did a moving average head-to-head test where we tested your more common moving averages. And like I said, we tested those to see which one would do the best. And so every now and then we will run across a moving average that is a little abnormal, one that's not very well known. And of course, we always put those ones to the test as well. And so in this particular case, like the rest of them, we are looking for a break of price action up above the moving average to then go long. Actually, in this particular case, this one's a little bit different. So this one actually has the red and green. Before, we've always tested it as a price break, but since this one does designate a green and a red color shift in the actual moving average itself, we will go ahead and test it that way and possibly test it as a price break. We'll see how well it does on just this particular one as a color shift, and then we'll go from there. So when the moving average turns red, then we will go short. When it turns green, we will go long. Let's see if we can't bump these colors a little more here. Make them pop just a tad bit. There we go. And yeah, that's how we'll be testing it today. So let's go ahead and get on with it, see what we can get. All right, so it looks like we pick up a green shift right there for just a moment. And rather quickly, it turns on us and then heads down right there on that one. I think the green shift actually took place right there on that. That short signal there got us to take profit rather nicely. Dropped out on us pretty quick there. Then we pick up a... Oh, let me change that one to green. There we go. Then we pick up a buy signal over here on this side. That one worked out for us rather well. Also, continue to play it forward here. Another move to the downside right there on that one. Another take profit. A signal to the upside there, and another take profit. So far, we are doing really well. Pick up a short right there, but we get that one canceled out with a long right there on that one. Let's see. That one got us to take profit. It did just barely get us to take profit, but got there nonetheless. Then a short right there. That one got us to take profit as well. This one so far is holding up really well. I do like the fact that with this particular one, using it as a color shift, we don't get that chop in and out of the market like we see with standard moving average and price action. And so that really goes a long way to help kind of counteract the losing aspect when you get chopped in and out of the market on range. That really just kills the win rate of a indicator. And so this one got us to take profit as well. Keep plugging along here. Short signal there on that one. Wonder if that's a lot of price action right there for it not to switch. So let's do this. Let's turn off. Nope, definitely didn't switch. Pick up a long right there on that one. Nicely done. Take profit once again. A short right there. Just double check. Nope, it did not stop us out, and it did drop down, getting us into profits. Losing signal right there on that one. Then we pick up a short right there. And that one got us to take profit. Long signal there. Also getting us to take profit. So again, this one is still holding up really well. Pick up a short right there. That one would have gotten us stopped out. And then it flips over here right there on that one. Let's see. That one was a clean signal as well. We're close to the end of the year. Let's continue to knock these out real quick. Losing trade there. a losing trade there on that crazy long tail that took place on that candle. A winning trade there, and that officially puts us at the end of the year. All right. So there we go. Let's add these up and see what we get out of it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So we have 22 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. That was really, really decent win rate on that. So I think as far as testing goes, this is probably the best way that we could have traded it. I don't think the price action break of the line would have done any better. I think it would have given us a lot more signals and definitely would not have gotten that kind of a win rate out of it. I can just see that it just chops in and out and in and out and in and out on the line. Like I said, very problematic. So this particular indicator did really well in this capacity, so it is definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.